Hello everyone, and today we are looking at this massive 20-foot white backdrop curtain set. You get 4 high-quality panels that reach 12 feet tall for a truly grand appearance. The premium polyester fabric is silky soft and stays completely wrinkle-free during your special events. A large 4-inch rod pocket makes it very simple to slide onto any standard backdrop stand. These drapes work perfectly for weddings, baby showers, birthdays, or professional photography sessions in a studio. This durable material is fully machine washable, so you can reuse it for many future celebrations. Transform any plain space into an elegant venue with these flowing and professional-grade background curtains. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.